Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change words in Excel. So you can change words in Excel, you can change value in Excel, you can replace the word which you want to find, and you can exact change words that you wanted to. So let's start with the video. Before you going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with video. So here we are, this is my Excel sheet and I have some example sample data here, like company name and status. You can see company name here and you can see the status here. So I'm going to change the PL from PL to profit and loss. Okay, so here you can see in status I have two PL. I'm going to show you PL, change the PL from PL to loss, profit to loss. So first step, you have to go into home, and here you can, in editing command, you will find and you will see the find and selection option. Just click on it. Okay, and click on find, or you can use hotkey like control F. Just click control and F, then it will become find and replace. So go to the replace, and here I'm going to replace my word like P and L into profit and loss. So when I replace this word like P&L to profit and from PL to profit and loss, then you can see there is a PL your sale include PL2 have, but I have company name also like PL Limited. So when you replace it all, you can see the all word which include PL has been changes. So I wanted only change this status only, not company name. So it is maybe wrong, or it is very complicated for you. So just do undo to show you how you can change it. For this you can select, for this you just type the find the word and replace with the word, and now you have to click the find all. So Excel will show you which cell has this word. So in my case I have PL Limited, so I don't want to change it, just change this one, this two only. So I'm clicking value, so it will come up. Now you have to select both. Just press shift and select both. By pressing shift, hold the shift button, and you can select both, and you can now replace. Okay, so that will be replaced, but I will show you now another way that will replace easily. Just do undo and close it, and now up again I'm going to home and find and search and replace. Here already I have I got this data like pain and profit. Now you have to just click on the option, and here you have to click on match entire cell content. It means only I'm indicated to Excel that only change name, only change the word which include which cell only include P and L. Okay, so when I tick it and click on replace all, you can see only cell has contained P and L has changed, not this. Okay, which I wanted to. Okay, this I wanted to. Okay, so that is how you can use replace button, or you can replace the word perfectly and find the perfect word in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.